हरिः कर्ता।
We have seen what does levels of measurement mean and why it is important, and when you have to make sure to have a proper levels of measurement to get the proper analysis at the end. All these things we have discussed. So now it's time to talk about various types or levels of measurements that are available. So we have four levels of measurements. There are four commonly recognized levels of measurement. Those are nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. So these levels of measurement are used to categorize data based on the nature of the underlying numerical values or characteristics. So let's begin with nominal level. Nominal level of measurement. This level of measurement is used to categorize data into discrete, non-ordered categories or groups. That's it. So this level of measurement is used to categorize data into discrete, non-ordered. Two important points to be noted: discrete and non-ordered categories or groups. Examples including, let me write down. So this is nominal level. So nominal level, so it categorizes data into discrete and non-ordered, very important, non-ordered categories or groups. Okay, so some of the examples include nationality, marital status, of course, marital status, so nominal data can be coded numerically, but the actual numerical values have no meaning in themselves. So that's what is a nominal level of measurement. Then we have ordinal level of measurement. Ordinal level of measurement. This level of measurement is used to categorize data into ordered categories or groups. So that is the reason you will have categories as well as ordered ranks. You'll have a categories and rank, and you'll have a ranks of the categories also. So this is a ordinal level. So this level of measurement is used to categorize data into ordered categories. That's it, or groups. An example where the relative position or rank of each category is meaningful. So examples include rankings or grades. Rankings, obviously, grades, percentages, grades such as A, B, C, or even levels of education such as high school, bachelor's degree, master's degree, and PhD. Then Likert scales, such as strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree. So these are the best examples of ordinal level: strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree. So then the third one that we have is interval level. Interval level. So this level of measurement is used to, first one, categorize the data into ordered categories or groups where the relative position or rank of each category is meaningful. So it's covering three levels. One, the data will be categorized and and the where the relative position of rank or relative position or rank of each category is meaningful, and the distance, the third one is the distance or interval between adjacent categories is also meaningful. So the distance between each adjacent category is also meaningful. So the interval works on built the interval level of measurement is built on three parameters. One is category, and then ranking the category, and then the interval, the distance between the intervals, the interval, the distance or interval between the adjacent categories. If you have three or four category, the interval or distance between the adjacent categories also has a meaning. So let me note down here, so that it would be clear for you. So interval level, you'll have a category, categorize data into ordered groups where the distance between two, the distance between categories is also meaningful. So don't worry, I'll give you example. So the best example include a temperature measured in Celsius or Fahrenheit. this is the this is the example is given everywhere. So the temperature measurement in Celsius or Fahrenheit, and time measured in hours. Yes, obviously, time measured in hours, and a time measured in either hours or minutes or could be seconds. Everywhere it will be categorized, and then they have a rank, and most importantly, uh, the distance between the category or the interval between the category also has a specific or certain meaning. So then we have the fourth one, last. So that's the ratio. This level of measurement is similar to the interval level, but with the added property of having a true 0 point. That's what it will have, an added property of having a true 0 point, which represents the absence of the attribute being measured. So let's take this ratio level. So it will have all the properties of nominal ordinal interval. In addition to that, it will have a true 0 point. True 0 point. So the examples include height, weights, distance, and income. So ratios between values at this level of measurement can be meaningfully computed. That's it. So here the ratios between the levels of measurement, the ratios between values at the level of measurement can be meaningfully computed. And for example, if you take income and if you take the ratio of two values of the two entities, for example, if you take here, so income I have 23, income I have 45, this belongs to entity 1 and this belongs to entity 2. I can do the ratio of entity 1 divided by entity 2 and the value, still I'll get a proper value. So if I'm able to do this ratio between values at this level of measurement can be, if we do that, and that comes under the ratio level. So the ratio level covers up all four parameters, categories, rank the category, and will have an interval, equal interval, and more than that, you will have a true or meaningful zero. That means you can do the ratio. You can have a meaningful ratio between the values. Even here also, interval also you can have a ratio, but that doesn't have any meaning. So where in ratios you can have a meaningful ratio. So these are the different levels of measurement that are available for us.